Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Kia Sportage, stock number 6345. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 10th 2015. It has a D4H, a 2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4H, a 2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,